Do you want a simple way to reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and increase concentration? The 4-7-8 breathing method might be the key to your inner peace. In this video, I'll explain how this technique works and the scientific principles behind it. The 4-7-8 method was developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, a physician specializing in holistic medicine. It is inspired by pranayama techniques, ancient Indian breathing exercises. It consists of 3 simple steps. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. And exhale through the mouth for 8 seconds. This cycle is repeated 4 times. What makes this technique so effective? Scientific basis of the 4-7-8 method. Regulation of the nervous system. The 4-7-8 method activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for relaxation. It slows the heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Improved sleep quality. Studies indicate that controlled breathing increases melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Research has shown that individuals practicing breathing techniques fall asleep faster and experience deeper sleep. Reduction of anxiety and stress. Breathing exercises influence the limbic system, which controls emotions. Research conducted at Harvard has shown that slow and controlled breathing reduces activity in the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for stress reactions. How to perform the 4-7-8 method correctly. Find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and relax your body. Place your tongue against the roof of your mouth just behind your upper teeth. This is crucial for the technique to work properly. Inhale through your nose while counting to 4. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth while counting to 8. Repeat the cycle 4 times. When to use the 4-7-8 method? Before bedtime. Helps you fall asleep faster. In stressful situations, calms the body. Before an important meeting, increases concentration. After physical exertion, helps restore oxygen balance. Regular practice of this technique can bring long-term benefits, including improved cardiovascular function and reduced symptoms of anxiety. Try it and see how breathing can impact your health.